guys, what's up? My name is Cash. Like money, if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Before we get into today's video, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you could be a part of the glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in all my newest content. Today I'm going to be doing a day in the life of a lash tech trainer, and I'm going to be just taking you guys through a little bit of my training. I have a student coming today, which is Saturday, August 14th. It is now 9:35. She's coming at 10 o'clock today for a 2-day class where I'm going to be teaching her classic, hybrid, and volume lashing. So I'll kind of show you the setup and like the kit and everything. So if you want to see like how I train my students and like the stuff that I use and some of the tips, like what I tell them, I will put that in here. Some of the very important things I'm going to put in here. I'm not going to put in every single detail, but yeah. And I just went alkaline vegan. So for breakfast, I'm going to be doing a peach, a naked. This one's pina colada, and it has pineapple, apple, banana, coconut milk, orange, lemon, and it has 45 milligrams of vitamin C. And then I have this, which I have to drink this entire thing today, and I didn't start, but I have to drink a gallon of spring water per day. So we'll see how that goes. The one thing that I've noticed about being alkaline vegan, but I don't think I've been drinking enough water, is that when I sweat, it smells like chemicals, and it smells like toxins are literally leaving my body, and that's like the worst part that I've experienced so far. Other than that, it's not hard to eat meals. Like I'm able to eat wild rice and quinoa. I do a lot of like bell peppers. I do a lot of fruits for breakfast and a lot of smoothies for breakfast, and then I do a lot of vegetables, like kale and some tomatoes. You can only do certain tomatoes, and mushrooms. You can do mushrooms except for shiitake mushrooms. So I do kind of like a salad blend or like a stir fry, like a meatless stir fry. There's certain like seasonings you can use too. If you guys are more interested about this, I can do a day, or what I eat in a day, alkaline vegan or whatever. So if you're interested, let me know. And then my lashes today are my new lashes in the style Regina George. So yeah, that's that. So I'm going to wait for her to get, I'm going to eat my breakfast first, well, these 30 minutes, and then I'm going to wait for her to get here. I'm going to wait for her to get here, and then I'll get started and I'll record a little bit of that, and I'll show you guys like what I be doing for a living, because it's cool. I just do this. I don't have a job. I don't have to get the double job if I don't want to. So my tongue is always wet because I'm always dehydrated, so don't come for me. I just brush my teeth and mouthwash, and I scraped my tongue, and I brush my teeth with charcoal toothpaste. So but yeah, I'm gonna do this stuff, and then I just want to go over my to-do list for this weekend to make sure that I'm not missing anything. Yeah, I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. All right, okay, see you in a little bit. Bye. So this is just my kit. I customized everything in my manual. I made all the graphics and logos myself. I custom made the folder myself, and I handed the certificates as well. So I'm just showing you what's included.
Lash Bootcamp. Everything you need to accomplish your goals are already inside of you. Believe in yourself. In life, you have two choices: become an entrepreneur or work for one. You are never too young to start an empire and never too old to start a new dream. Amen.
Okay.
I like
Period.
that.
Took a brief little 15-minute break. I'm about to snack on the bread machine one. This one has apples, strawberries, oranges, bananas, raspberries, red grape, pomegranate, cranberry, flaxseed, vitamin V, and B12, and a hint of elderberry. I love elderberry, so that's awesome. So yeah, we just got through like some of the theory, and now I'm doing some of the like hands-on tutorials. So when we get back, I'm gonna do some tutorials and record them for y'all. my student was so surprised that she was like a model for somebody else, and she learned a lot more within the first couple of hours with me than she did sitting in on a class with one of her friends. So that was really awesome. She already knew what a hygrometer was, so that was really impressive. But yeah, I had one of there was a lash tech that came to me to get her lashes done, and she said she trained with this popular girl from my city and that she didn't teach her what a hygrometer was, and I was so disappointed. Like, that's one of the main things you need to know when you lash. So it was just crazy. So I take pride in my trainings, and I really go above and beyond. I'm very detail oriented and very specific with training and teaching, and I think teaching is just one of the things I thrive at, because I love learning so much. So when I learn, I teach, and when I teach, I learn. Like when the teacher becomes a student, the student becomes the teacher type of thing. I just love teaching. So I don't know, I definitely think training and teaching is one of my niches. I love it. I probably need to do more YouTube stuff where I train people, because I'm really good at it and I don't give myself enough credit. And also, every single time I train somebody, it always turns into a therapy session every single time. And like 90% of my students cry. Because I don't know, I guess I'm just motivational, or I'm supposed to be like a motivational speaker or something. I don't know. But, and every single time I have a training, I always make my students listen to our greatest fear, or our deepest fear. It is in 𝐻𝑒𝓁𝓁, and it's also in Coach Carter, and it's one of my favorite quotes ever. I don't know, quotes. Somebody from Clearwater, Florida is calling me, and I have no idea who this is. I don't know who that is. I'm not answering that. Probably somebody crazy. But yeah, so I love always telling them that quote, because it's so inspirational, and like shrinking yourself down to make other people feel confident and secure doesn't serve any justice to the world. So you shouldn't do that. My students shouldn't do that. I shouldn't do that. It's a fact. So yeah, today's going pretty good, and then we also have tomorrow. So it's going good. It's fun. I love training. Training days are awesome. I want to do more training. Like if I could just train full-time, girl, I would, because I love training. Let me show you my new pillow. This one, I designed this myself, by the way. The logo, the Glam Beauty Bar logo, I designed it myself. So here I'm just demoing how to do a lash bath, and then my student is doing it on her mannequin on her own.
When a nigga got money, now you done switched up on me. Now you wanna say what's up to me. Okay, so now you wanna make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, that you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Tell me honest, girl, what you want from me. This ain't nothing, you keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell you, you better run from me. Give hold to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz coming. Young nigga, your friends bad too, then some come with you. And we like, bitch, you with they own shit, you don't like, go dig it. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something.
Okay, so I am here in my lash training course, and look, I'm learning to do volume and hybrid. Big shouts out to Cass for teaching me. I'm excited. I really enjoy my training. It actually makes me feel extremely motivational and proud of myself. I learned so much during this training, and what's most important, not just about lashing. I learned about the business side. I learned about marketing. I learned about different growth stages of eyelashes. I learned a lot about myself and the things I should introduce to and not introduce to my business. So overall, I'm going to give you, forget an A+, whatever's above that, because this was excellent. It makes me feel very good, very motivational, and I'm looking forward to lashing. When I try to do it by myself, yeah, no. So I appreciate it. If you're out there trying to learn how to lash or anything like that, you need to come to Cash. She the one. She gonna get you there. Period.
So that was my day in the life of a lash tech, lash trainer, and my YouTube vlog. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.